Hi, my name's Laura Goldschman and I'm a dancer, acrobat and aerialist from Sydney, Australia. I've been performing overseas for the last 16 years in many shows, and I love my job. So my hip got to a point where I was just unable to perform anymore. I was unable to do my job. So I made the decision, I had the surgery. And I'm so happy that I went ahead with it because my hip now is wonderful. I've got full range of motion. I can do everything I used to be able to do before. And I'm not in pain, which is the most important thing. So I'm so happy I had the surgery, and I highly recommend it to any other younger person that wants a full hip replacement. As a performer, I've worked all over the world, and it's important for my job to stay fit, healthy and strong and keep moving. So now when I perform, I'm able to push my body to the limits without even worrying about my hip.